Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're simply going to look at how we can redeem our staked USDT. Okay, let's see how we can remove how we can withdraw our staking USDT. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. So don't forget, if you are among those, okay, who stake the other time, then we're back for you. And if you haven't staked before, you can also look at it, how you can redeem when you staked. You're going to navigate yourself straight to this assets. Okay, if you come to this assets, this is what you will do. What you will do is very simple. You're going to navigate yourself to this place which says N. You can see here N. Okay, if you click on the N, it will bring you to a place of this very nature. Okay, here is it. You need to watch it carefully so that you can see how much, or so that you can see how to redeem your staked USDT. If you can look at this place, this is what this 6 USD earned me, 0.01. Okay, though it's not much, and it's because my capital is very low. You can look at this place. This is where you see the total yield. Total yield is also showing here carefully, which is 1 active. All right, so that is it. So what you're going to do simply is going to click on it. Okay, we have clicked on it. You have see what exactly this USDT EU does. Okay, you can see there is it. This is what it yield us, which shows here the total yield is here, and the total staked is here, which is a 6 USD. Okay, it's a 6 USD. Then you come to this place to touch. You come to this place. I hope you're getting it. Okay, click on this little arrow. Okay, if you click on it, it will bring out something of this nature. Then you come in here to click on Unstake. Unstake the what? The USD. And if you want to add more, this is where you go to. You can buy more. But currently, you're going to go into what? You're going to go into Unstake the USD. Then you click on Unstake. You can see it's actually very simple. If you click on Unstake, you're going to go into see something of this nature, which will ask you, are you going to redeem it to the funding wallet, or you want to redeem it to the unified trading account? Okay, and here it shows you how much you want to redeem. So you're going to go into redeem all. You click on mask. If you click on mask, you can see something of this nature pop up, which is the whole USDT. Okay, so you're going to come to this place straight to click on Unstaked. If you click on Stay, it's going to ask you if you are very sure about this. Okay, you're going to click on Confirm unless you are sure about it. Okay, you can see it's been what? It's been unstaked. Okay, it's been what? It's been unstaked. So this is a simple way for you to go quickly to unstake what you have saved. Okay, so if you do have any question, don't forget you can drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. All right, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.